Hi guys. Good morning, good night, good evening guys. Depending the time and the country you're watching me from guys. How are you? How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Thank you so much guys for clicking on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, sharing, liking and subscribing. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. I love you guys. Love you more, love you more. I love you all. My subscribers, thank you so much for coming in. So today I want to show you, do you know if you have a YouTube channel, you can see who have subscribed to your channel? Do you know that? Hmm? Do you know that guys? If you have a YouTube channel, you can see and know who has subscribed to your channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna sort you out. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna talk about how to go about it, how to see and where to go, how you can see your subscribers if they have subscribed. Yeah, you can see that if you have a YouTube channel, and this is about anyone who has already opened YouTube channel, who has 50 subscribers and above. Yeah, you can see your subscribers, and we are here to learn. Me and you, we are both here to learn. So don't be afraid to ask anything. Don't be afraid to talk to me. Don't be afraid to send me a text message. I'm here to help. We are here to help each other. Let me know what you know, and I will let you know what I know. So, guys, let us go in the YouTube studio. Let us go. So, first, we have two ways. You have two ways, guys, of seeing who has subscribed to your channel. The first way is to go to your YouTube. Here I am in my YouTube. I'm gonna put the account that you're gonna use. We are here, and this is my channel here. You see, this is Amali Boost here. So you go to your channel from the YouTube app. Go to your channel, and then right on the top there, of course, you'll see your banner. There's your banner there, your YouTube channel there, your two profiles there, pictures there. And then after that, down there, after your profile, you have to see some profile. So you have to click here where I have clicked, and here is my subscribers. Here they are, guys. Here is my subscribers. Yeah, and that's how you can see your subscribers. The second way is to go to your YouTube studio. You have to go to your YouTube studio, Chrome, with the Chrome version, and then click search. You have to log in, and then there is our studio. You have to give it time. Yeah, there is our channel here, and then you click on after channel analytics, and then top video summary, and then top videos, and then the following is recent subscribers. You click on see all there. So here is my subscribers and the dates. It has the dates, it has the subscribers you have subscribed to their channel, and down here you have to select it. It has an arrow down here if you want the subscribers or to see them 50 by 50 or 10 by 10, 30 by 30. like that. And then the next arrow aside here is next. Yeah, after this the package is 10 10 10, so you just tap here to go to the next package, like that. 10 10, they'll group in 10 10 10 10 10, like that. If you want the package to be 30, you select 30, like that. You see 30, it's long. And down here we have an arrow of going next, just like that, guys, you see. And then if you want to change them into package 50, you want them to be 50, you see, they are 50 50, and then you have next package there. So easy how to see your subscribers. It's so easy guys. We go back. So that's how you can see your subscribers. That's how you can see your subscribers through your YouTube app. Yeah, through your YouTube app. YouTube made it easy. Yeah, they made it easy and for people to see, because now from your YouTube app you can see your subscribers, and you are the only one who can see them because you have an account. Those who have subscribed to you, they can't see it. They're the one who can access that. And also the second option is by Chrome. You search studio.youtube.com, and then you go to studio, and then you'll find your subscribers there. Just follow steps that as I have shown you there, and you have to see your subscribers. Yeah, you'll have to see your subscribers. It's so easy. It's so easy nowadays. It's so easy. Yeah, someone can lie to you. I have subscribed to your channel thinking that you will not know, but nowadays it's so easy. So easy for you to know who has subscribed to your channel. And the accounts that are showing there, those who have subscribed to your channel, they are accounts that they have set their account to be public. Yeah, there's some people who have subscribed to your channel, but they are private. They have just subscribed, they are watching you, but they are private. For those, you can't see them. But for those who have put their accounts public, you have to see them in the YouTube way, the way I've shown you, and in the studio way, the way I've shown you. It's so easy nowadays to know who have subscribed to your channel. So easy, guys. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. Keep in mind I love you, and keep in mind supporting your girl here. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow in another video, in another class.